It's time to unleash your wild side to rake in bucks with digital goodies. Hey, stick around and hit the subscribe button for some down-home money wisdom. Imagine turning your love for the outdoors into a cash bonanza. Check out our free training in the description to see how RV campers like you can whip up digital goodies that pay big. I've got a tale that might light your fire. All right, let's just say me and you just kicking it by a campfire. And I want to tell you about my buddy Hank, an RV camper who's been roaming the backwoods forever. Hank loved sharing his RV hacks, but he was broke as a busted tire trying to make money online. He tried peddling RV gadgets on some sketchy site, but barely made a nickel. Then he got wise, used his road wisdom to craft a $19 digital RV camping checklist. He tossed it up on a few RV forums, set up an auto sell system with our help, and now he's pulling in about $1,500 a month while cruising the highways. That's the kind of freedom we're talking about. Maybe you've tried selling stuff like camp gear or messing with affiliate links, but it's a big old mess. Or maybe you're just sitting there thinking, what can I sell? How do I deal with all this tech stuff? That fear of messing up and not knowing where to start, it feels like you're lost in the woods without a map, and it's keeping you from the cash and freedom that you're craving out there on the open road. So here's the trail out of that mess. Turn your RV know-how into digital goodies that folks can't resist. And we've got a dirt simple plan for you. First, dig up the gold. You know stuff like the best RV campsites or how to fix a leaky pipe on the road. We'll help you turn that into a digital gem, like a guide or checklist. Not much fancy skills are needed. Second, spread the word like on Etsy. Share it on places like Pinterest or RV groups. No need to be a tech wizard. We've got your back. Third, let it roll on its own. Our tech support sets up a system so your product sells while you're fishing by the lake that you love. This just isn't a side gig. It's your ticket to a business that's all yours, helping other RV lovers while you rake in the cash. Want to hit the road for riches? Our free training in the description shows you how to make digital goodies that pay, so don't miss it, friends. Look, I've been there where you are, chasing online bucks and hitting dead ends. Me and the crew, we've been living the RV life, and we've figured out how to turn it into digital gold. We're real folks, not some city slickers, and we're here to walk you through every step with tech support that makes it a breeze. We've got your back, just like a good camp host. Ready to unleash your wild side and rake in the bucks? Grab our free training in the description to whip up, sell, and auto roll your digital goodies. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's roll down the money trail together. And we'll see you in the next video.